This is the sticker of the Mazda 767B. These are the wheels of the Mazda 767B. And these are the wheels. And these are the glass, or the headlights and the windshield, and basically the glass for the car. That's how it looks. And this is the main body of the car. With the other things, there are wheels and this is the body of the car, the body of the 787B. And these are the wheels for the Mazda 787B. And these are the other parts for the car. And these are the brakes for the car. And this is the floor and the steering wheel, etc. And this is the manual for how to make the car. And that's it. If you want to see me make the car, please like the video, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.